Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a photo shoot using a one light setup with off-camera flash and high-speed sync. Lauren's going to be our model for today.
Hey guys.
She's going to be helping out, so we're going to be just going to make some content. So let me know what y'all think. Let's get into it. So for this shoot, I'm going to be doing the 85mm 1.2. I'll be shooting wide open at 1.2. I'm using the Canon R5, also using the 8400 Pro with a 12-inch reflector dish. I've got the sun backlighting her to give some rim light, and obviously my off-camera flash on her front left side in order to balance that. So these are some of the photos from the first look. So Lauren sat here to put her shoes on, and I thought this would just be a good area to shoot in. Mind you, this is one of the busiest times I've ever seen this park. I've never seen so many people at this park, but it's a Sunday afternoon, so it is to be expected. I do have the light a little bit behind her, shooting kind of at the back side from the photo with the sun lighting the front of her in order to get a little bit of separation from the background. This wasn't my favorite composure overall for this shoot, but we did decide to take just a few photos here to see what they would look like, and this is what we got. All right, so for our second look, what I'm thinking is we're running out of sunlight here, right? We've got just a little bit left, probably like another 10 minutes or so, 5 minutes, if that. She's got a bodysuit outfit I really like. I'm thinking we're gonna do it barefoot and over in that like a little patch of green grass right there, and kind of have her stand there, shoot with the sun behind her, see if we can get something good with it, and just kind of see what happens. So. Good. All right, just keep flowing, keep flowing, keep moving. Think. Yep. Perfect. So you have to be really judicious about how you shoot into the sun. It can be really difficult sometimes to catch focus when you have really strong lens flares coming from the sun. And for some reason, I do not know where my lens cap is. I'm sure it's somewhere here, but I can't find it. So when I do, I'll be sure to put my lens cap on. And so I was able to get much more clear shots when I wasn't shooting directly into the sun and kind of stepped to the side just a little bit. So keep that in mind. If you're using off-camera flash, you want to be mindful about how much sunlight's actually coming into your lens so that you can get still a clear photo that doesn't have a whole lot of haziness to it, so you can maximize on your image quality. Do one hand like across and the other hand like kind of here. Yeah. But bring that hand around. Yep. Switch hands. Yes. I love it. Look that way. Alright, so we were basically out of sunlight at this point, and so we decided to leave the green areas and kind of get some more like cityscapes, like at some building walls, and we came across this grayish beige wall and decided to kind of use that. And for this next portion, I'm really just gonna try to let the camera roll as much as possible to give you guys just a general idea of what it looks like, what my directing looks like, what the creative process looks like, and trying to create some of these images when using a space like the space that we have here. So also I'd love to use this space as a place to bounce ideas off each other. So if you guys see something, or you see something that you would potentially do differently, let me know in the comments. I'd love to have a discussion about it. Yes. Actually, I lied. Switch feet. Do the left one, and then cross that knee over that way a little bit. Yes. I really like that look. I'm gonna add to it because what's that sound? Is that a dog? I know you like to party. I really like your body. You know that song? Yeah. Who is that?
I don't know, actually.
I love these. We're gonna have to bring the shutter speed up some. Oh my Lord. Oh Lord. Good. Look to the side. You see your man coming? How you looking at him? That's good. Look right at me. Good. I love this. Switch feet. Switch feet again. Yep.
Oh, those are nice.
The ones from this angle, I really like. Yeah. I like the flash. It just really gives a little bit more. Let's move it a little bit more this way. Okay. Let's try some more.
Do you want me to get the same pose I was just in?
No, let's do feet, feet spread. Give me some Loretta action. Yeah. And then really work them hips and shoulders. Yep. All that. That's good. 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 And then, bring your hands down, kind of like, work the body with, you feeling yourself. Yep. Good. Good, I like that. Stay just like that, don't move. Look that way, look towards that, yep. There you go. Let me get both hands on the hips, upside, yep, like that. Bring that left arm out a little bit, that left elbow out, yep. Good. Switch to the other side, hips that way. Good, there you go, yep, yep. Really exaggerate those hips that way. Yes, really exaggerate, there you go. Look at me. Actually, look back towards the light. Yes, yep. Okay, I like hips to the right. Hips to the right again. Good, there you go, boom, boom. I really like your body. That's good, look at me. Drop that left arm straight down. Yes. Good. Kind of want to drop this down. 120, 128. I love it. Yep. Keep doing your thing. Put both feet down again. Let's do this. Bring one foot closer to the wall. Like sit down a little bit more into the wall. Yes, like that, perfect. And then you can do like hands forward, lean forward if you want. Yep. Good. Look towards the light.
Only the beginning.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That right hand, put the right hand up, bring it back to the side. On top of your thigh. Yes, like that. That's fantastic. Look at me. If you guys want to see how to shoot with off-camera flash, I've got a video showing you guys step by step how I run through the process, everything you need to know. Otherwise, if you want to see more videos like these, feel free to click on this playlist where I've got tons of behind-the-scenes photo shoots for you to enjoy. Otherwise, I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.